Let's draw a sugar skull. In this video, we will draw a decorated sugar skull with simple shapes and easy steps. Then we will add a background scene, and the sugar skulls will dance and celebrate Day of the Dead. When you need more time drawing, pause the video. Always use a pencil first when drawing. That way you can erase the lines you don't want. Start with a circle for the skull. Add the jaw of the skull. Erase the line inside the jaw. Draw big circles in the skull for the eye sockets. Add an upside-down heart shape for the nasal cavity. Draw a line in the jaw where the mouth would be. Draw lines for the teeth. Add a scalloped outline above the teeth lines and below the teeth lines. Now we have the basic skull, and it's time to decorate it. Draw flowers in the eye sockets. Flowers are an important part of decorating when celebrating the Day of the Dead. Add flower petals around each eye socket. Draw a flower at the top of the skull. Only half of it shows. The other half is on the back of the skull. Draw a small heart between the eyes. Add some eyelashes. Draw cheekbones. Add accents under the nasal cavity. Draw little circles above the teeth. Draw a flower on the chin. Add some circles on both sides of the flower. Draw the brim of the sombrero. Add the crown of the sombrero. Now decorate the crown. Decorate the brim. Add little circles along the edge of the brim. Draw more sugar skulls. You can decorate them differently or any way you like. This one has a mustache. Add flowers around the skulls. Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead, is a happy traditional holiday to celebrate and honor family and those who have passed on. Subscribe to see more awesome drawings.